This looks completely normal, but hidden behind it is a secret gaming room. And honestly, this might be the coolest thing I've ever built. So here's the idea. I wanted to build a hidden gaming room behind a bookshelf, but not some fake movie prop. I wanted this to feel real, luxury, minimal, and insanely clean. At first, this room looked completely boring, but this wall was about to become a secret entrance. The hardest part wasn't the gaming setup, it was the hidden bookshelf, because if it looked suspicious, the whole illusion would fail. And honestly, this thing got heavy fast. Okay, that's not smooth, but after a lot of adjustments, it finally worked. Oh, that is satisfying. But the gaming room itself gets even crazier. I wanted the inside to feel completely different, like stepping into another world. Okay, that looks insane. That honestly feels unreal. And remember, from the outside, this still looks like a normal bookshelf. That never gets old. One thing I realized building this is that hidden rooms instantly make everything cooler. So now I need your honest opinion. Would you actually want a secret gaming room, or is this completely over the top? Comment below. And if this video blows up, I know I'll build an even crazier hidden room next.